Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In this conference, I would like to present our article research. The title is Identifying the Safety Risk Factors of False Work During Building Construction Project Through Partial Least Square Structural Equation Modeling. Our members is me, Muhammad Rafe Abdul Majid, Haikal Hafiz Muhammad Samsuddin, Raja Nur Husna, Raja Muhammad Noor, and Zaila Nur Yunus. This of content of this research is like uh, background and problem statement, objectives, methodology, results and discussion, and conclusion. Background of this research is focus on the causes and preventive of accident, especially for the false work safety during construction project. So the problem statement is false works fail or false, it can be a false serious safety risk that could lead to serious injuries or even death. This is one from the International Organization for Standardization 2020. And then maybe they have exist a new hazard and accident causes in false work activity. And then maybe they have a previous preventive model problem. So the objectives of this research is to identify the significant safety risk factors occurred on false work activities during construction building project through partial least square structural equation modeling. For the research methodology, we divide by three stages. Stage one is to develop the questionnaire. Okay, and then the stage two is to develop a model, and then the stage three is to analyze of model. In this research, we use PLS SIM. Why we choose this method? Because the PLS SIM can be estimate the parameter of a set of questions in a structured question model by combining principal components analysis and regression best path analysis. So the reason for usage is the one is to handle very complex models with many indicators and constructs. It can estimate formatively specified construct, and it can handle a small sample sizes with the required level of care, and then it can derive determinate latent variable scores which can be applied in subsequent analysis. So let's we look to the result and discussion of this research. For this research, we take 119 respondents, and then here is a demographic respondent. 45% is a female, and then 55% is the male. And then age is mostly around 30 to 39 years old, and then 20 or 29 years old. And then for the qualification is the mostly respondent is the have a diploma for 45%, and then the rest is they have a bachelor for 41.7%. Position of respondent is like 35.1% is a site supervisor, 31.8% project manager, and the rest is the project director 90.9%, and then post-work specialist is 7%. For the working experience, 41, 44%, 44.4% is have a 3 or to 5 years experience, and then the others is 1 to 3 years experience, 39.7%. Then number of years in construction field is 1 to 3 years experience for 50.7%, and then there's a 3 to 5 years is 25%. And then the major types of construction involved is uh, the highest is there from the high-rise building project, 58%, and then after that is there from the especially for commercial building project. So this is the guideline for PLS SIM to develop the model. Okay, the first step is we need to run the measurement model, and then after that we run the structural model, and then lastly we check for the quality model. The hypothesis of distances, we have a three. One is there is a significant relationship between management factors and technical factors. The second one is there is a significant relationship between environment factors and technical factors. And then the third one is there is a significant relationship between technical factors and types of accident. So the result from the measurement model assessment. So all learning factors is more than 0.5, so no issue for the reliability. For reliability and validity in measurement model, all indicators show here follow the guideline for PLS model. The cross-loading data show no discriminant validity issue. Here show structural model assessment where the multi-collineal variable latent or VIF is less than 5, and then t-value is more than 1.96, and then p-value is less than 0.05. Here the data show all the hypotheses is true. Hypothesis 1, hypothesis 2, and hypothesis 3 is significant. Here show the quality of model test. The first one is the Q square is 0.332, more than 0, so this is a well constructed model is predictive relevance. Then for R square is 0.628, more than 0.2 is a substantial. And then SRMR value is 0.03, less than 1. And then PS predict, we compare with the PLS SIM and LM in terms of either is for RMSE or MAE. So we get the model is moderate predictive. This is the data for PLS predict. We compare between PLS SIM analysis and LM in terms of RMSE or MAE. So we get the majority is lower. So the model has we can classify as a moderate predictive power. Conclusion for this research: the study focused on investigating the significance between types of factors contribute to the force failure and the types of force work failure accident at building construction. And then results show that the technical factors combined with either environmental factor or management factor can contribute on the types of force work failure accident during construction project. This model will be able to help construction management in planning to avoid or reduce the accident during post-work activities. That's all our presentation. Thank you.